Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Welcome to episode 5, I think. Episode 5. It'll be on the title. I can't keep up, you guys. But I wanted to do something different today. Just a little break from the projects. We'll be back with more projects tomorrow. I just wanted to share with you guys this super cute Halloween kit. Being that we're in the season, and if you guys want to pick up a collection to do some Halloween crafts, this is one to definitely consider. If you guys don't already know, I am part of the Fairy Tale Club design team, and this is her kit. And it's super cute. It's called Magical and Mischievous, and this is everything that comes in the kit. So I decided to kind of show you guys everything you get if you decide to purchase. Like always, I'll have everything linked down below. So if you're interested, definitely go check it out because her kits are super cute. So first we're gonna go over the paper. And this is her cut apart sheet. How cute is that? I love it. Look at the little witch, book of spells, the little pumpkin filled with candies, magic is real, trick or treat, the little skeleton that says hi, October. I'm definitely going to be creating something with this and putting it on my channel, of course, because I have to play with this collection. It's adorable. Look at the little cat. The little haunted house. You could do like journaling, so if you're doing an October daily, this kit can also come in handy. This is what the other side looks like, and this one is called Magic is Real. So all the cardstock papers do have names. I'll start placing those over there. So far, when I open the package, this is totally my favorite one. The little witches on the moon, and the colors, the pink, the teal blue, totally me. And then you got that little teal blue, not little, that light teal blue on the opposite side. And this one is called Magical and Mischievous. Is it mischievous or mischievous? I don't know. You say tomato, I say tomato. And we have this purple one with this nice little circle patterns. And then like this geometric pattern on the opposite side. And this one is called Lovely Luna. Then we have this one, so that's why I say it's perfect for October daily, because you even get your whole little set of numbers if you want to use these. And it says Happy Halloween, cute little heart one. And they all have cute little words like owl, craft, vampire, creepy, party, wand. You guys get the idea. Hello October. I'm not doing an October daily this year, you guys, because I'm trying to focus more on this series and my posts on Instagram, and it just becomes way too much. But look at these little hearts, you guys. They got the cutest little faces. And this one is Hello October. Then we have this like spider web one. Always need a good spider web paper in a little Halloween kit. Spooky spells. And then this is the opposite side. I just love the colors. I love the pink. We have this one with the pink and the black cats. This one is called My Patroness. My Patroness cat. My Patroness is a cat. Patroness? Patroness. Yeah, I think I said that right. I love this one. This is my second favorite. The pink with the black cat and this geometric pattern. Then we have this one with some scalloped edges. And it has owls on the opposite side wearing these cute little hats. You guys see that? And this one is called Wicked But Sweet. Then we have this one with a little pumpkin filled with goodies, some yummy sweets, and like the teal blue, and then like the pink geometric on the opposite side. And then the last one is another cut apart sheet that looks like this, and it just has a bunch of fun cut aparts that you can use as little additions to any projects, any like flip books or pocket letters. And then the opposite side is this black and orange pattern. But those are all the papers that you get. Put those back here. And then you also get a what is this? Is this acetate? Let me see. I think this is acetate. Sometimes you get vellum, but I think this month it's acetate. Yes, it is. It's acetate, and it's like the spider web in purple. Can you guys see that? And it's Nocturne. That's the name of it. You see that right there? And it's like this metallic on the opposite side, and then like that purple metallic on that side. Then of course you get some super cute little flares. Ooh, did you guys hear my stomach? I'm starving. Magic, this little cat, a cute little heart, a bat, the word boo, and the little pumpkin filled with goodies. So those are the flares you get in the collection. And then of course you get a ephemera pack, and that's everything you get. I'm not gonna open it up, but this is what you get. And her ephemeras, like her die cuts, it's very good quality, you guys. I've said that before. If you've watched videos that I have done in the past with the Fairy Tale Club kits, her die cuts are really, and even her cardstock paper, extremely good quality. And I'm not just saying that because I'm part of her design team. I'm saying it because it's the truth. Here are these cute little pom-pom paper clips. You get 4 little puffies. And then you also get another ephemera pack with silver foiled words. So those are all the words that you get. And it's kind of like that metallic look. Now how cool is that? So you get that as well. And then she also has, of course, I think this is the B6. So if you guys are planner girls, these will definitely come in handy. So you get this one. They're double-sided. There's this one. How cute is that? And that one. I love these kind of papers. Hello October. Double Toil and Trouble. Fire Burn. Cauldron Bubble. Hocus Pocus. Haunted and Adorable House. That's so cute. The Owl, Something Wicked This Way Comes. Magic is Something You Make. Is it? Yes, magic is something you make. Black Cats, Best Day Ever. The Cute Little Witch, Magical and Mischievous. The Scallops, Happy Halloween. And then she also has the personal size. I think that's what it is, the personal size, which is the same designs, but just in this size. All same images. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. If you guys are interested in this kit, definitely check out the link down below. Her quality is amazing. Her kits are super cute. And this is a new release just in time for Halloween. So if you are into the cutesy Halloween and want to create with something new, definitely go check her out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next episode. Bye, guys.